Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk to you about acrylites and HEMA products and nail gels that cause allergic reactions. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to avoid this problem. Go ahead and press on the like button and subscribe and on the notification so the way you can be notified when I upload another video like this one. Now let's get started. Right here, I'm going to show you a video and it's going to show you what I used to go through when I had my allergic reactions to the gel when I used to do my nails. But of course, I'm still, until right now to this day, I'm still using gel nail products and I'm still doing my nails at home. I am still doing that. As you can see right here, these are my fingers when they were well, during my problem that I had with my allergic reaction. As you can see, that's how it starts. It starts with swollen fingers, swollen skin, irritated. It itches like crazy. And so this is what happens when you're having an allergic reaction to the HEMA products and the gel. And it's a lot inside of builder gels. These products right here, as you can see, it's from Amazon. It's called Modelon ones. And so there are a lot of nail gels that have a lot of the allergy products, the products that cause allergies and the chemicals that cause allergic reactions to you. So you may be a person like me. I did not have allergic reactions when I started doing my nails, and so as I continued to do my nails, I started developing allergic reactions. And the reason why you develop allergic reactions is because you have constant contact with the chemicals. So let's say when you're doing your nails, you have a lot of contact with your chemicals. You rub it in your fingers and you don't clean them, and you touch it around your cuticle areas and you don't wipe it, and you're supposed to wipe it with alcohol. And so since you're doing a DIY or watching tutorials on YouTube, you are not noticing that you have to protect your skin and your cuticles and your fingers and all of your products that you are using, because not only you can spread the reactions and allergic reactions through yourself by using the products on your own fingers and doing your nails, and also having the contact with your fingers and the skin around your nails, but you can also create allergic reactions by using the product, rubbing it around in a paper or pencil or in a bottle, and when you finish touching it, this is what you usually would do. I'm going to show you. Open the product. This is how you provoke other ways that you can provoke allergic reactions. This is how you do it. You hold the product here. I'm going to just demonstrate how is an easy way for you to provoke allergic reactions on yourself. At the moment, I can show you a lot of ways that I am actually avoiding allergic reactions to myself. This one right here has acrylates, and it also has HEMA. So I don't use it a lot. I only use it for simple things right now, but at the moment I'm going to show you how you can spread the chemicals everywhere without noticing. So let's pretend this is one way. Okay, I paint my nails. Normal paint my nails, and oopsie daisy, I put a little bit on my skin. It could also happen not only like this, but it could also happen when you leave product underneath your nails and you leave in contact with your skin. Right now, if I leave this like this and I cure perfect, it's going to give me the next day itching, scratching, swollen skin, and it's horrible. I am scared right now because I have this on my skin and on my cuticles, and I do not want to do this, but I'm going to show you how is it that you can provoke allergic reactions on yourself. Let's pretend that I cure this. I cure it. All right. The next day, ta-da! I have contact dermatitis, which is allergic reactions to the HEMA and the products. So this is the thing. When you do your nails, you're supposed to wipe it down. I'm going to show you how. This is one way to wipe it down. You can, when the product's wet, you can use orange wood stick and you can wipe it down. But watch how I wipe it down. Wipe it down, right? And some people may think, oh, I wipe it down, it's good to go. No, it's not. It's not good to go. I'm going to show you something. Okay, stay tuned. Look how the product is still down there. So if you go ahead and cure that, it's bad for you because you still have the product there. Now, this is another way that you can actually provoke allergic reactions on yourself. Right? Stay with me. So when you need to wipe your finger, this is what I use actually to wipe my fingers. I'm going to show you something else. So this is what I use to wipe my fingers and to wipe my skin off. This is a paper from the kitchen. It's a Bounty, that's just the brand, but this is what I use. This is the alcohol right here. I use this one. You can use any other alcohol, of course not drinking alcohol. I take the paper, the Bounty. It's really hard and it doesn't penetrate on the other side. Yes, it does penetrate, but this is what we do to avoid the penetration. We clean it, we wipe, we take it off the skin, right? We take it off. Look how it's pink in the other side. So this pink is going to give you allergic reaction in your other fingers. So what you do is you have to either fold it and wipe again. And look, it's still a little bit there. Maybe you cannot see it, but it's still a little bit pink there. And I'm going to go ahead and wet it again, that side. But as I'm wetting it again, I'm still touching the other side with my good finger that doesn't have allergic reaction. Look, there's a lot of pink there left from the nail polish still. You have to discard of that paper and grab another one. You have to grab a thick one, because if you only have a grab a little piece like this, and I'm wetting it right now off camera with alcohol, you have to fold it because it penetrates the liquid, the chemical penetrates through the other side, and what it does is that it causes you even more allergic reaction. So you have to wipe it multiple times so you can avoid the allergic reaction, and you have to clean inside the bridge right here and the ridges of your cuticle. And you have to make sure that nothing is left behind. Also, your fingers that already touched the other pink side of, look, this is garbage. And now, if you're having only a little bit of paper, you can still do it. You can just do it. Just wipe your fingers and fold the paper, because you don't want the allergic reaction that you're leaving behind, the chemicals, to touch your fingers. So you wipe off your fingers. Now I'm going to show you something, all right? You have to clean very, very well with alcohol, because the alcohol just removes whatever chemicals that is left behind. Now, this is the other way. You have to clean every single tool that you touch with a little bit of chemical. I know this is a difficult thing to do and maybe difficult to remember, but look, I wiped it, but I'm going to have to wipe it one more time. So as I said, you grab a little bit of piece of paper. I grabbed this one because it's really strong. Bounty or any other brand that is good enough, because look, you have to wipe it multiple times, because I do like to reuse my wood stick because I don't work with anybody else but myself. I do have more wood sticks, but I use these ones to either push back my cuticles, or I use it to clean up my residue from the chemicals of the gel. Sorry about the bouncing camera. I'm going to go ahead and show you another way that is very easy to spread allergic reactions through your products. It's not only by having touch around your cuticles, curing and leaving it there, or by a bad cleanup of your cuticles with the product, but also this is another way. When you're doing your nails, you did your nails by accident, tap, left a little bit of gel, a little bit of acrylites, a little bit of HEMA, a little bit of whatever it is that you're using that has acrylites and HEMA in it, a little bit of this chemical. It's bad, very, very bad. You left a little bit of here, oops, you put it away. You don't notice the next day. That's a little bit sticky, you know, it's a little bit dry, but guess what? You touch it again, it's still there. Look at my finger. It's still there the next day. And you go ahead, you touch your bottle of alcohol to clean your fingers. Oh, let me use my bottle. Pops, you left it there. Touch something else. Pops, you left it there. And this is how you have a cycle of never. I'm cleaning right now. Look at this. It's still left. You see the pink there. And I'm going to discard of this paper. I'm going to hold the bottle correctly, and I'm going to clean it. Take some alcohol. You can have a different alcohol container that is a pump. I have it here. I'm going to show you, which is very useful because all you have to do is pump it. But I find that this one is not high quality, and so every time that I use it, it just gets dehydrated inside and it evaporates away. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am cleaning my surfaces from my products, but as I'm cleaning, I'm doing something. I don't know if you can tell. I am folding my piece of paper. Look at all that. That's contact dermatitis. That is allergic reaction waiting to happen. It's been 4 years as of now that I don't go through that. Thank you, Jesus Christ. I discovered how to avoid it and how to continue to use my products. I am so scared right now, but I am trying to still avoid this. And I'm cleaning my container. as I'm going through, because I am not spreading these allergic reactions through anything. As of now, you can see my containers, everything is really clean, but guess what? I forgot it there and I have closed my bottle. That's how easy you can continue to get contact dermatitis, by leaving the surfaces of the other products dirty, and when you wipe them, you do not notice that the dirt and the chemicals goes from one side to the other, and you have to continuously fold and clean your fingers with the clean side. Continuously fold, and do not ever touch the container unless the container is completely clean and wiped out with alcohol. I'm going to tell you something else. Do not ever instead of alcohol think that it is okay to use this instead. Acetone. Do not confuse alcohol with acetone. Alcohol, it removes the chemicals and it takes them away if you do it the proper way. Like I said, wipe, clean, fold. Wipe, clean, fold. Everything and every surfaces that you have touched with the chemicals, with the nail gel, with the HEMA, with the acrylites, with the acrylics, with the builder gels, everything has chemicals. But there is some products that you can actually use to avoid chemicals. We're going to talk about that in another video, but as of right now, I'm trying to explain the difference between alcohol and acetone. Alcohol cleans and removes. Acetone makes the product get inserted into your skin, and your skin will absorb whatever you're cleaning with alcohol. When you're using alcohol with anything, alcohol will allow the two things to absorb between each other. So if you wipe anything with acetone, just know the acetone will melt away whatever product, and that chemical will get absorbed into your skin. Your skin will absorb it thanks to acetone. So remember, please do not ever use acetone on a product or chemical that you're trying to remove, unless you're doing gel X, which that will be like for another video, how to make them match with your natural nail. But yes, as of now, the video is 12 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it right there for now, and wait until the next video so I can show you more ways to prevent and avoid the spread and the allergic reactions of HEMA products and acrylites that is in a lot of the products that we all use. And in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all the products that you can actually use and buy that are not very much affordable, but that's like the downside of having a product that is acrylate and HEMA free and it doesn't give you allergic reactions. But yes, stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, like, and press on the notification